Oh, I knew you would call back.
Happy New Year! I know this is crazy, but this is a New Year time. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so we are finally making our way to 2020. Like seriously. Alright, so for this New Year Eve, I created this glam look. Like I loved it. And this is a glittery look which you all can try. I know this looks like कि बहुत difficult होने वाला है, but no, trust me, this is damn easy. You all can try this. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. So as usual, I'm going to start with my eyes first because this is a glitter look and I don't want to mess up with the glitters. So first, I'm gonna tape my both sides. Alright, so first I'm gonna prime my eyes. And now using some powder to avoid creasing on my lids. And now I'm going to start with a transition color, but I'm not using the usual light brown color for my transition. I'm using this dark brown color and adding it on my crease.
If you're loving me, just love me harder. Have no mercy on me, tell me loud.
And now from this Chameleon palette, I'm using this burnt orange color, like it is so spicy. So I'm using this orange color and I am adding it in my crease line. So I'm using this very small flat brush. This is a really easy method, a really easy way to create your crease line. And now I'm taking this clean blending brush which is from Urban Decay. I'm just going to blend this orange color to my crease line.
Just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder.
And now I'm gonna take this orange color on the brush and we'll add it to the outer corners, like making a proper V kind of thing. I'm adding this color to outer corner like this, just placing it and then making it like a V shape. And now I'm taking this color to the crease. Yes. And now I'm using this concealer on my lids where I need glitters, like the way I did in the Christmas look also. So if you haven't seen my Christmas look yet, I'm going to link it here. So an I button is coming, just press it and you'll reach to the video. And it is not like you have to do these looks on New Year and Christmas only. These are glam party makeup looks, so you can do it anytime you want.
Oh, you're the one that I need.
I'm gonna dunk my brush into this so it catch glitters.
Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel.
Okay, so first I'm just creating a base and then I'm gonna add more chunk of glitters falling on my face. Yeah. Alright, so for now my eyes are done. I'm gonna, build up the eyeshadow later. So first getting rid of these tapes.
Loving me.
Alright guys, so for primer and moisturizer both, I'm using this Smashbox Primerizer. I am loving this thing, yeah. This is a superb product, like I love it. The best thing is it moisturizes your skin really well before the makeup, and your makeup is like intact after long hours also.
You what I want. Good night.
And I'm gonna use primer above this as well because I'm going to do a heavy makeup look. So it is just to protect my skin from all these products. For primer, I'm again using the Smashbox primer. This is a photo finish smooth and blur primer. So taking it directly onto my skin. For foundation, I'm mixing these two foundations. This is LA Girl Illuminating Foundation and this is a Makeup Revolution one. So I mixed these two foundations in one of my IGTV, that is the Christmas look only, and I loved the combination of these two foundations. Yeah.
just love me harder. Have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If your love is
For concealer, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. It's been so long that I have used this concealer. So I'm just going under my eyes and I'm gonna highlight with other concealer. And now I'm using this Swiss Beauty palette and this shade to highlight and brighten up my eyes. And now I'm gonna take this brush and blend everything.
oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so,
And now I'm gonna set my whole face using usual Bharat and Doris powder.
but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had.
And now I'm taking this damn beauty blender and going to powder my face with this only.
Just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes
For my brows, I'm gonna use this Miniso eyebrow powder.
love me harder. Have no mercy on me, just tell me.
For eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 eyeliner. This is liquid eyeliner because sketch eyeliner never work on glitters. For my lower lash line, first I'm gonna take this orange color. This pencil brush, you guys, it is so important in doing eye makeup because so precise brush. Next, I'm gonna take a darker brown color, like chocolate brown, and I'm gonna add it to the outer of this. And now I'm going to fill my waterline with this kajal.
Can I tell you what I need? Just love me
And now I'm again gonna smudge it.
louder. If you're loving me.
Now I'm gonna apply my falsies and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with my lashes and they look super awesome. Do you think so?
Alright, so now what's left? Concealer, blush, highlighter, okay?
Alright, so for contour, I'm gonna go in with my Savannah palette and taking this contour shade on this contour brush. I hope you guys learned how to contour. For blush, I'm gonna take the same Savannah palette and taking this light pink color. I'll try to go as minimal as I can. But because I love blush, I try to do little but then go on and on and on and on. I don't know why, that's my love for the blush. Alright, so next for lipstick, I'm using this one. So I'm gonna go in with the lip liner first. This is from Lakme Absolute and I'm searching for the mirror. Perfect. And because I love to mix my lipstick, so I'm gonna go in with this proper nude color, and it is so nude, like, can you see? So I'm just gonna top in. Do you guys understand what I said? I said I'm just gonna top in with this color, like just to the center of my lips.
That you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need.
That's it, and now it's time for the highlighter, and then we are done with the look. Because I'm wearing golden, so I need a golden highlighter on my face, but because I do not have any golden highlighter, so I am using this trick that I'm using my Naked palette, Urban Decay Naked palette, and I'm gonna use this color. This is a golden eyeshadow and this is half baked, and I'm gonna use that. I use such tricks, like if I am wearing pink and I need pink highlighter, I go in with the pink shimmer, and today I'm wearing golden, so I'm going in with this. Not bad. It looks pretty though.
Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I?
You know what? I'm getting that feeling of like with this tank top like ding, 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 ding. Have you heard that song? Okay.
Alright, and with this, my New Year look is completed.
Have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
Alright guys, so that's it with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you like this look. If yes, then please do comments below. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video.
Louder if you're loving me.